Lego bricks, they're everywhere. Kids love them, adults love them. These tiny, colorful pieces have been a staple in households for generations. From the moment you open a new set, the possibilities are endless. These colorful bricks unlock creativity. We build towers, spaceships, even entire cities. Lego sparks imagination. It teaches problem solving. Each piece fits perfectly with another, allowing us to create anything we can dream of. Whether it's a simple house or a complex spaceship, the joy of seeing your creation come to life is unparalleled. And it's just plain fun. Families gather around tables, sharing laughter and stories as they build together. It's a bonding experience that transcends age. The joy of snapping that final piece into place is a universal thrill. But have you ever wondered how Lego bricks are made? The process is fascinating. Each brick starts as tiny granules of plastic which are heated and molded with incredible precision. It's a blend of ingenuity, precision, and a whole lot of plastic. The molds are so precise that only a few micrometers of error are allowed. This ensures that every brick fits perfectly with another, no matter when or where it was made. Let's journey inside the world of Lego. From the initial design to the final product, every step is meticulously planned and executed. Workers and machines work in harmony to produce millions of bricks every day. Get ready to be amazed by the secret life of these iconic bricks. Discover the stories behind some of the most incredible Lego creations and the people who bring them to life. Whether you're a lifelong fan or new to the world of Lego, there's always something new to discover. Every Lego brick starts with tiny plastic granules. This plastic comes from crude oil. It goes through a complex process to become the building blocks of our imaginations. The plastic is heated until it melts. Then it's mixed with colors. Lego uses special pigments to get those vibrant hues. This molten plastic mixture is the key ingredient. It's ready to be molded into the shapes we know and love, but the journey's just begun. The molten plastic is injected into molds. These molds are super precise. They create every detail of the Lego brick. The plastic cools and hardens inside the mold. Then, the mold opens. Out pops a brand new Lego brick. Quality control is key. Each brick is inspected. Any flaws, it's rejected. Lego only wants the best for its builders. Lego bricks come in all shapes and sizes. There are classic rectangular bricks. There are round plates, windows, doors, and so much more. Each brick is designed to fit perfectly with others. This allows for endless building possibilities. And the colors. Lego uses a rainbow of vibrant hues. This variety is part of what makes Lego so special. It lets us build anything we can imagine. Lego factories are amazing places. They're like giant playgrounds for grown-ups. Machines hum and whir, churning out millions of bricks every day. Robots zip around, sorting and stacking bricks. It's a symphony of automation and precision. The factories are kept spotlessly clean. Lego wants to protect its product. It wants to ensure the quality of every single brick. The global reach of Lego. Lego factories are located all over the world. There are factories in Denmark, Hungary, Mexico, and China. This global network allows Lego to produce and ship bricks efficiently. No matter where you are in the world, you're never too far from a Lego brick. This global reach is a testament to the brand's enduring popularity. Lego truly is a worldwide phenomenon. Lego, a legacy of play and innovation. Lego has been around for almost a century. Founded in 1932 by Ole Kirk Christiansen, the company started as a small carpenter's workshop in Denmark. Over the decades, it has grown into a global phenomenon. It has evolved over the years. From simple wooden toys to the iconic plastic bricks introduced in 1958, Lego has continually adapted to the changing times. The interlocking brick design has remained a constant, allowing for endless creativity. But its core values have remained the same: creativity, imagination, and fun. These values are embedded in every brick and set, encouraging builders of all ages to dream big and build even bigger. Lego is more than just a toy. It's a cultural icon that transcends generations. Families bond over building sets together, and communities form around shared love for Lego. It's a universal language of play. It's a tool for learning and development. In classrooms around the world, Lego is used to teach subjects like math, science, and engineering. The hands-on experience makes learning engaging and effective. It teaches children valuable skills. These skills include problem-solving, spatial reasoning, and fine motor skills. Lego continues to innovate. It creates new themes, sets, and elements. From space exploration to underwater adventures, there's a LEGO set for every interest, sets and elements. The designers at LEGO are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, introducing new pieces and themes that inspire creativity and imagination. This keeps the LEGO experience fresh and exciting for generations of builders. Whether you're a child discovering LEGO for the first time or an adult revisiting a beloved hobby, LEGO offers endless possibilities for fun and learning. More than just bricks. LEGO's expanding universe. LEGO has expanded beyond traditional bricks. It now encompasses movies, video games, theme parks, and even education programs. The LEGO universe is vast and ever-growing. It offers something for everyone. LEGO continues to inspire and entertain people of all ages. Its impact on popular culture is undeniable. LEGO has become a global icon. The enduring appeal of LEGO. So, what is it about LEGO that continues to captivate us? Is it the vibrant colors that catch our eye, or the satisfying click as each piece locks into place? Perhaps it's the simplicity of the brick. A single, unassuming piece that can be transformed into anything your imagination can conjure. Or maybe it's the endless possibilities they offer. From towering skyscrapers to intricate spaceships, the only limit is your creativity. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure. LEGO bricks hold a special place in our hearts. They are more than just toys. They are a gateway to a world of imagination and innovation. They remind us of the joy of play, the simple pleasure of building something with our own hands, and the pride that comes with seeing our creations come to life. They inspire us to dream big and build something amazing. From the smallest child to the most seasoned adult, LEGO has a way of bringing out the builder in all of us. Now that you know the secret life of LEGO bricks, go forth and create. Let your imagination run wild and see what incredible things you can build. The world is your building block. With LEGO, the possibilities are truly endless, so grab a brick, start building, and let your creativity soar. Whether you're building alone or with friends and family, LEGO brings people together. It fosters collaboration, problem-solving, and a sense of accomplishment. From local build competitions to massive fan conventions, LEGO has created a community of enthusiasts who share a passion for building and creativity. Over the years, LEGO has evolved, introducing new themes and sets that capture the imagination of each new generation. Yet the core essence remains the same, a simple brick that can build dreams. So, whether you're a lifelong fan or just discovering the magic of LEGO, remember that each brick holds the potential for endless creativity and fun. Happy building! If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, and manufactured, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to Manafacta.